Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can upgrade your Delta flight with miles. So first of all, if you're booking a flight, if you haven't booked a flight yet, it's a pretty simple process to upgrade your flight using miles. You're going to log into delta.com, so just visit the website and log in from right here. Then you're going to select a ticket that you want to reserve, and if your reservation is eligible, while you're adding your details and once you're going on the payment section, you're going to see the option to upgrade your miles within your trip summary before you complete your purchase. You're going to select that option, and depending on the fact that you have those miles available, that would be applied and you will be able to upgrade your flight using miles. And once you select that, you will use those miles to upgrade all passengers in your reservation and then finalize the booking. Now, let's say you've already booked your flight. What you're going to do is, if you've already booked your flight right here, it's also a pretty simple process. You're going to find your reservation in My Trips on Delta.com. So once you're in Delta.com, you'll go on My Trips right here, this option on the top. And once you open My Trips, you're going to see any flight that's in the future that you've saved. You can select it from here, and you can also select that from the Fly Delta app. And if an upgrade is available, you will see an option to select seats for money or miles. From there, you will select the miles option. You're going to pick an available seat in the seat map, and you're going to complete your purchase, and you'll be able to upgrade according to miles accordingly. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.